Hello, welcome to another video about the signboards. So this video, we're going to show you what I've done to create this. So in the first chapter, we're of course going to use ChatGPT. So this will be our base data. So we will ask basic things like give me a store name, give me some slogans, IDs, colors, some information about what the store is. We're going to save the data in a JSON file. And here we're going to learn as well to import a JSON file into Houdini and extract the data that we want or need for this setup. In the second video, we're going to then recreate the text. So we're going to place a couple font nodes down, and we will then extract the data from the JSON and have a 3D text so we can do something with it if we want to. Now that we have the text, in the next video, you will see to create like this first board frame. So we have this text floating in the air. So you want to have like some sort of like construction frame that looks actually like a sign for a store. So here you still have the freedom to like change things up. The next thing on that we'll be making different styles. So at the beginning, I asked also ChatGPT to give me a certain number to create different styles. So I will make different styles myself quickly, and I will then randomly pick based on what ChatGPT thinks would be the best style for the best store. Then our tool is sort of getting close to done, and we will wrap things up in an HTA. So our tool can be used, we can play around with different values to generate different boards and so on. We also want to make things a bit more ready for the game engine. So to get our materials and a normal feel in the model, we will have a trim texture sheet. I will show you from scratch how to make a trim texture sheet here in the first video with Houdini. So we will make a basic process about laying down these trim strokes and making this into normal maps. In the second video, I will then use this layout that I created from the trim sheet to then actually move the UVs automatically to specific areas where I can nicely have the normals that we bake down work with the model. One more video to finish off the game side of things is we want to also bake down sort of like these fonts into textures as well. We don't want to send this font to geometry, we want to bake things down into textures. So we'll show you an approach where I will bake things down, and I will also use something which is called a UV2 or multiple UV channels to define the area where to pick the text from. And the last video is more like a bonus video, and this will show you how to use PDG. So PDG is used to like export a variation or multiple different outputs. So we will ask the tool to output, for example, 12 to 16 different versions, or even more. It's a value you can change, and we can just quickly get from anywhere from a few versions to hundreds of versions, output it as FBX files. So that's an overview of this series. Hope you're gonna watch it and see you soon.